If you're using GoHighLevel for your business, this new update is going to make your reputation a lot more strong. Hello everyone, this is Hasnan from Xort Logix, and today we are breaking down a powerful new GHL feature, manual reviews, now available in labs. This update lets you finally bring all your customer feedback into one place, even the reviews that were not collected online. Let's say a customer gave you a feedback in person, on WhatsApp, via SMS, or on a platform GHL doesn't integrate with. Now you can add that review manually. Name, rating, review text, date, platform source, even profile pictures and photo attachment. Everything goes straight into your reputation dashboard. If you have been collecting reviews somewhere else, spreadsheets, forms, archived messages, you can now upload them all at once. Just use the template, upload the file, and GHL validates everything, so you don't need to import errors. All your manual reviews appear right beside your Google or integrated reviews. You can filter them, view platform labels like Checkatrade or Amazon or no platform, and even use GHL's AI summary to analyze them. And this is the best part. You can display these manual reviews in all your existing widgets, list, grid, carousel, slider, everything. So your website can finally show all your best customer feedback, even if it was not collected online. For businesses that rely on WhatsApp feedback, in-person clients, or non-integrated platforms, this update is huge. It helps build credibility, boosts conversions, and showcases your real customer experiences everywhere. If you need help setting this up or want us to manage your entire GHL system, just reach out. Xort Logix is here to take your automation and reputation to the next level.